In this video, we will explore how to insert online pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. So open your Microsoft PowerPoint, and to insert the pictures, go to the Insert tab. Just click on the Insert tab. In Images group, have a Pictures option. Just click on this drop down arrow. Here you can see there's a third option is online pictures. Just click on to insert the online pictures in your slides. Just click on the online picture option, and here you can see the one dialog box is open to online pictures. So power by Bing. So select here the your online picture. If you want to online picture related to, I just click on the dock, and you can see here the all online pictures is showing. You just select it and you can insert it quickly. Okay, and with this the picture format tab also added. You can edit this picture. You can use the formatting option this to edit these pictures. Okay, and you can resize it easily. Just drag with the mouse and resize and set here. Okay, so this is a way you can insert the online picture, and you can search the picture over. So I just select the different slide here, the second slide. Again I go to the Insert tab and click on the pictures format, and then click on the online pictures. Now here you can search your picture also. Suppose I want here the mango. I just enter here mango and just click on the enter. Now this mango is searched on the online. Okay, just select here the picture those you want and click on the insert. Okay, so this is a way you can search your picture also on online, and you can select the picture also from online library. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.